Welcome to the podcast. Today we're diving into the powerful world of GitHub, a platform that has transformed the way developers interact and collaborate on software projects. Whether you're a seasoned coder or just curious about tech, we'll explore some fascinating facets of GitHub that make it essential for developers worldwide. So, let's start with the basics. Do you know that GitHub isn't just a code repository? It's essentially a social network for developers where coding meets community. Think of it as the coffee shop where programmers gather, share ideas, and help each other out. Except the coffee shop runs on millions of lines of code. Now, one of GitHub's standout features is its ability to generate collaborative environments called code spaces. Have you ever imagined being able to code from anywhere, anytime, without worrying about configuring your development environment? Code spaces allow you to set up an instant dev environment in the cloud. It's like having a workspace that you can take with you wherever you go. Just plug in your project files and you're good to go. Doesn't that sound freeing? And while we're on the topic of collaboration, let me share something interesting about GitHub Actions. Ever thought about automating repetitive tasks in your coding projects? With GitHub Actions, you can create workflows that automate tasks like testing and deploying code. Imagine how much time you could save. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps, always there to help you streamline your work. But GitHub isn't just about coding. It also emphasizes security. Did you know that it has built-in tools designed to find and fix vulnerabilities in your code? Security in software development is critical, especially as we rely more on online platforms. Reassuring, right? By using these tools, developers can catch issues before they become a problem, like that friend who always warns you about the rickety bridge ahead. Now, let's not forget the GitHub community. With features like discussions, developers can connect outside of code. This is where you can ask questions, share knowledge, or even brainstorm ideas for your next project. It truly embodies the concept of collective intelligence in programming. So, as we wrap up today's discussion, let's reflect. GitHub is not only a place for code, it's a thriving ecosystem that supports learning, collaboration, and innovation among developers. What do you think is the most exciting feature of GitHub? If you're a developer, how has GitHub shaped your workflow? Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to think about how you can leverage these tools in your own projects. Until next time, keep coding and collaborating.